So I'm testing out the foam mattresses that sit on the bed frames that we usually take camping, because this next camping I'm taking my older kid, and the car is already lowered, and I didn't lower the car, it came that way. And anyway, it wasn't handling the weight previously very well, so I've had to reduce our load a bit for this big camping trip. And so I'm lying here on this mat on the garage floor. Here's, like, you know, the bin behind me and shoe rack. And yeah, it's been half an hour. I figure that's a good test to see if it's going to be comfy enough for sleeping on while we camp. And you know, it's doing alright. I think it'll be okay. If it was the dead of winter, I think I probably wouldn't, because the cold might seep through. But the garage floor's kind of cool, and I haven't felt any of the coldness from the garage floor seeping through. And I haven't felt too much hardness sort of on pokey hips and things. So yeah, I reckon it'll be alright. So I'm just gonna take these instead of the big fold-up bed frames, and also instead of the self-inflating mattresses, because honestly, I find the self-inflating mattresses to be a bit of a pain in the ass, which is why oh, hello, Ollie. Which is why I got these. Ollie, come here. Come say hi. Come. No one can see you. There we go. Let's fix this. Hang on. Oh, noisy. Wait for it. There we go. Good gal. Anyway, yes, the reason I got these fold-up bed frames for camping in the first place was because I found the. Where are you going? Fluffy tail. I found the self-inflating mattresses. They're such a pain in the ass. Maybe we've just got crappy ones, and I don't know. But they were. You got to use like your whole body weight. You got to use your knees and your hands to roll to get all the air out, to pack them up again. And when it's Alexis and I going camping on our own mostly, she's only 8, so she doesn't have enough body weight to roll them up. And so I thought these folding beds would be a better idea, because that can be her job, doing the beds. And but yeah, as for this camping trip coming up, it's just not going to work because of the extra weight. So I was originally going to take the self-inflating mats, and I thought, I'm just going to have to. But no, after testing these for half an hour on the garage floor, I think they'll do the job. So yes, score. Say bye. Say bye. Look that way. Say bye. She doesn't look at screens. Here, what if I click over here? There we go. There we go. Here. Come over here. Come over. Oh my goodness. You good there, Ollie? Want to move your butt? Yeah. Move your butt. Move your butt. Move your butt. Moment of truth. I've just wired up my Sirocco fan to a 12-volt cigarette plug thingo, and plugged it into my battery, and I'm going to turn it on and see if it works. Plugged in. Cable doobie-doobie-doo, doobie-doo, 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 leading to Sirocco fan. I don't know if it's going to turn on right away. I'll probably have to press the on button. Let's see. God, I hope I did the right one. Wait, where's the on button? That is speed, and that is, no, that's timer. So I guess the on button. Yes! Woohoo! I didn't blow anything up. Yeah! Heading off camping again. Gonna have a bit of a longer trip this time, so that'll be a challenge. That'll be fun. Probably the longest camping trip I've ever had, I think. May have had long ones when I was a kid, but they all kind of blur into the one really cool camping experience and hanging out with family. And so yeah, I loved camping as a kid. It was so much fun. So yeah, this is gonna be good. It's gonna be at least a couple of weeks, I reckon, maybe 3. And I'm taking my 8-year-old and my 17-year-old, and the dog's coming, of course. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm pretty sure I'm on track for leaving in a couple of days. I've got the top of the car packed, and I've got things wired up that need to be wired up. And I've got various other tents that we need so that the 17-year-old can have his own space. And I've got a shade structure. Fingers crossed. I think everything's ready. I'm just standing here looking at the car as I'm talking to you, because the top of the car is all packed up, and the inside I will pack up tomorrow. So then we're leaving the next day. So I think everything's on track. I'm excited. My 17-year-old doesn't. He's not really into camping, so this will be nice to have him with me for this trip. On other occasions, he's just stayed by himself for a few nights. And, that's good. It's good practice for him to look after himself and prepare meals and eat just because he's hungry, as opposed to preparing meals because I've said it's his turn to cook. I'll show you the top of the car. Alright, now this time I can reach to the top of the car with my phone because I have it on a little tripod. There we go. Top of the car, packed and ready. Let's hope that's everything I need in there. And inside, plenty of room in the back there, room for the kid, and in the boot. Well, that's reflective, isn't it? Hey, you can see the sky. There we go. Nice and neat and secure. Late evening. Car is mostly packed. You can hardly see anything in here. Well, so it's early evening, it's not late evening. Got the car pretty full here. There's a big blank spot where the fridge is going to go. I'll put that in first thing in the morning. And hopefully that's everything and we're ready for camping.